press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, today just I am continuing with my last class. In last class what we have discussed? Just we have discussed about circumference and area of a circle, and we entered into the exercise 11 point. We entered into exercise 11.3 also. In that already we finished 9 questions. Just I am continuing with that exercise, people. Okay, what is the question? From a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeters. From a circular card sheet of radius, one circular card sheet is there. It is having a radius 40 centimeter. Two circles of radius 3.5 centimeters and two circles of radius, and then just two small circles of radius 3.5 centimeters and rectangle of length 3 centimeters of length and breadth 1 centimeter are removed. Just here what they are doing, one circular card sheet they are taking. In that card sheet, just they are removing the portion of two small circles and two small circles of radius 3.5 centimeters, correct, and then one rectangle of length 3 centimeters and breadth 1 centimeter, correct children. And what the circular card sheet radius 14 centimeters. Here what they have given in the question, just they are taking one circular card sheet. That means one circular card sheet they are taking, one circular card paper they are taking. In that card sheet, just they are cutting the paper, just they are removing the portion, two small circles portion they are removing and one rectangular portion, and dimensions also they have given. The rectangle dimensions ಅವರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Two small circles dimensions, that means radius also they are giving. This what they are asking, the remaining, find the area of the remaining sheet. Here the area is there, correct. Here the remaining card sheet, what it is there in the, here the remaining card sheet, what it is there in the circular card sheet. We have to find this shaded area. How it will come? First you have to find the area of the, first what we have to find, what they have given, just I am telling now people. First they have given a circular card sheet, radius they have given, that means area of the card sheet we can find. Area of the card sheet we can find, area of individual small two circles we can find because we know the radius, and also the rectangle area also we can find because they are giving length and breadth. How we will give? If total portion in the, if you remove these two small circles area and this rectangle area, then we will get the remaining part of the card, correct. What is the formula? Just here I am writing, area of remaining, it has to in your keep it in your mind, area of remaining part equals to ಏನಾದರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಶೀಟ್. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನೇನು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ 2 times ಆಫ್ A1 2 times ಆಫ್ area of small circles and area of rectangle. Correct children, area of rectangle. Here what they have given, the one small circle. In yesterday class only I explained the problem and I asked you children, you have to try it once. I think you tried, you are good children. Here, see here one circular card sheet they have given, okay. The dimensions they have given, correct children. So, we can find the area of the circular card sheet by using the formula pi r square, where pi equals to 3.14, or in fractional format 22 by 7 minus 2 times of area of small two circles, that means eyes it is smiley in the form of smiley, and then you have to take the subtraction also the area of rectangle. Okay children, just what you have to write, what they have given in the question, first you have to write them. Okay. Radius of solution, first you have to write, given radius of circular card sheet. What is the radius of circular card sheet? R, capital R. Just take to show the difference. This one I am taking as capital R and this one 3.5 I am taking as small r. Okay children. R equals to 14 centimeters. If you know the radius, okay, whatever given, just I am writing first radius of, and also radius of two small circles is the R equals to 3.5 centimeter, and also they have given length and breadth of a rectangle. Length of the rectangle removed L equals to 3 centimeters. L equals to 3 centimeter, and then breadth of the rectangle, and then breadth of the rectangle removed B equals to 1 centimeter. B equals to 1 centimeter. Okay, whatever they have given in the question, just all I write. Radius of the outer circle I have written, that is 14 centimeter, and the two small circles that they are going to remove also I have written, that is 3.5 centimeter, and length of the rectangle which is going to be removed also I have written, that is length is 3 centimeters and breadth is 1 centimeter. Okay, what we have to find now? Just we have to find the area of circular card sheet and two times of area of small circles and area of rectangle. Individually, just we have to find each areas of rectangle circular card sheet and two small circles. Okay, now we have to write. First we have to find whatever I am telling, just I am writing here. First we have to find the area of circular card sheet area of two small circles and area of rectangle. Area of rectangle that is going to be removed. Okay children, next, therefore area of circular card sheet. Circular card sheet A1 equals to pi capital R square. Bigger I am taking it as capital R, that's why I am writing here pi capital R square. Now I am writing 22 by 7 into 14 square means 14 into 14, just directly I have written people, 1s are 2s are. Okay, 44 into 44, 22 into 2, 22 into 2, 44. 44 into 14. 14 fours are 56. 56 plus 5. 616. 616 centimeter square. Correct, children? And now area of two small circles. Two small circles. 2 into pi r square. Otherwise, area of small circle you can write, and when you are doing the problem here also we can multiply. 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5, because r square alla illi namge 3.5 whole square it will come. That's why I have written 3.5 into 3.5. Okay. 1s are 0.5s are correct. 1s are 0.5s are. Okay, children, just observe here. 2 into 0.5, 1. If you do 22 into 3.5, it is enough. Correct. 2 into 0.5, 1. 22 into 3.5. 3.5 into 22. 2 3s are 6, 6, 7. 77 centimeter square. 77. Two small circles are having the area of 77 centimeter square. Okay, next what we have to do? We have to find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. A3. This one is A2. This one is A1 I am considering. This one is A2 and this one is A3. Otherwise, just we have to take equation 1, equation 3 to avoid this. Just I am taking A1, A2 and A3. Okay, what is the formula to find the area? L into B. L into B. What is L? 3 centimeters into 1 centimeter. 3 ones are 3 centimeter square. 3 centimeter square. Okay, what we have to do now? We have to use this formula to find the remaining part of a card sheet. Therefore, area of therefore, area of remaining part of circular card sheet is equals to this formula only I am writing here. Area of circular card sheet minus this one we have to write 2 times, so this one only, area of 2 small circles, area of 2 small circles plus area of rectangle, area of removed rectangle. Okay, what we have to do now? What is area of the card? What is circular card sheet area? 660 centimeter square. 660 centimeter square minus 77 centimeter square plus 3 centimeter square. Correct, children? Okay, next 616 centimeter square minus 77 plus 3, 80 centimeter square. 80 centimeter square. Okay, 616 minus this one, 6 minus 0, 6. 61 minus 8, 53 centimeter square. At last you have to write therefore area of remaining sheet. Therefore area of remaining sheet is 536 centimeter square. 536 centimeter square. I think it is not visible to you people. Lastly, you have to write therefore area of remaining sheet is 536 centimeter square. Otherwise, you can write square centimeter. Okay children, just move on to the next problem. I think you understood. A circle of radius 2 centimeters is cut out from a square piece of an aluminium sheet of side 6 centimeters. What is the area of the leftover aluminium sheet? Here what they have given, just a circle of radius 2 centimeters. A circle of radius 2 centimeters is cut out from a square piece of aluminium sheet. First one, aluminium square sheet is there. With a length of the side they have given, that is 6 centimeters. Just they are removing a circle of radius 2 centimeters of portion from that square. What is the area of leftover remaining part of aluminium sheet? We have to find. This what? Firstly, one square aluminium sheet is there. This is the 11th one. Firstly, one square aluminium sheet is there with length of each side is 6 centimeters. Length of each side is 6 centimeters. And then one circle, just they are removing a circle. Just they are removing a circle part of radius. Radius they have given 2 centimeters. Just they are removing these part from this aluminium sheet. Okay children, we have to find the remaining part. We have to find the remaining part, the shaded part. We have to find the remaining part of the aluminium square sheet. We have to find the remaining part of aluminium sheet. That means the shaded part here, the shaded part we have to find. We can find the area of the square, correct? We can find the area of the square by using the formula side square, and we can find the area of a circle which is removed by using the formula pi r square, correct? Just we have to take the difference between the two, then we will get the answer. Okay. Write down children. Given radius of the circle that is cut off from square r equals to 2 centimeter. R equals to 2 centimeter. We can find the area of the circle. Therefore, area of the circle that is cut off from the square. A1 equals to pi r square. Pi is nothing but 22/7 into 2 square. Correct? Now 3.14 into 4. 3.14 into 4. 4 4s are 60. 4 4s are 4 plus 1 5. 4 into 3, 12 centimeter square. Just don't forget to keep the units. Okay. Just I'll write here to save this phrase. Okay, children. And then what you have to find now? We have to find area of the given also, since we can write length of each side of square. S equals to 6 centimeters. Therefore, the area of square aluminium sheet A2 equals to S into S. 6 into 6 equals to 36 centimeter square. 36 centimeter square. What you have to find now? Just we have to find the remaining part. Area of aluminium sheet left area of leftover aluminium sheet. We have to area of leftover aluminium sheet. A equals to, just we have to take the difference between these two. Area of the square minus area of the circle. You have to write area of the circle. You can write area of the circle minus area of the area of the square minus area of the circle. Okay. What is area of the square? 36 centimeter square minus A1 is 12.56 centimeter square. What it is? That is 23.44 centimeter square. At last you have to write therefore area 23.44 centimeter square area is left over in aluminium sheet. Okay. First I find the area of a circle here by using a formula pi r square, and then I am finding the area of a square aluminium sheet, and then I am taking the difference to find the remaining part in the aluminium card sheet. Just I am taking the difference between areas of square and circle. Okay. I think you understand, children. Just 12th question. If you read the 12th question, that one is like this only. Just you have to find the remaining part itself. I think you can do that one. You have to do it as homework. 12th you have to do it as homework. Just the circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeters. Just they are giving the circumference of a circle. Find the radius and area of the circle. Here what they have given? Circumference of a circle they have given. By using that one, just you can find the radius, and then you have to find the area of the circle. You can do that one. 12th one you have to do it as homework. Just next one, 13th one. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meters wide. 4 meters wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 12 66 meters. What of this? What is the area of this path? Pi equals to 3.14. Pi equals to 3.14. In some questions they will mention that value of pi. In some questions just now you only have to remember that one. Here what they have given, a circular flower bed is surrounded by a path. One circular flower bed is there. One circular flower bed is there. It is surrounded by a path. Just they has constructed one path to that circular path with wide 4 meters. With wide 4 meters. Okay. The diameter of the flower bed. The diameter of the flower bed they have given that it is 66 centimeters. Sorry, meters. 66 meters. We have to find. What we have to find? We have to find area of the path. We have to find the area of the path that is surrounded to a circular bed of diameter 66 centimeters. This shaded part we have to find. Just they have given the, what we have to do now? Just we know the diameter of the inner circle, correct? That means we can find the radius also. 66 by 2 equals to 33, correct? 33, it will 33, correct? And then if it exceeds 4 centimeters, what they are telling, they are constructing a circle path around the path with 4 meters of extra path. Extra, correct? 33 plus 4, that is equals to 37. Okay, 37 meters, correct? Outer circle is of radius 37 meters. Just you have to take the difference between inner circle and outer circle, then we will get the answer. How much of area is constructed are surrounding the circular path of diameter 66 meters. Okay, come on, write down, children. Solution: given diameter of a circular flower bed, diameter of a circular flower bed, D equals to 66 meters. D equals to 66 meters. And then by using the diameter we can find the radius. Radius of a circular flower bed. Radius of a circular flower bed or equals to D by 2, that is equals to 66 by 2, that is equals to 33 meters. That is equals to 33 meters. If you know the radius, then we can find the area of the inner circle, that means circular flower bed. Therefore, area of a circular flower bed, area of a circular flower bed, A equals to, what is the formula to find the area of a circle? Pi r square. Pi is nothing but 3.14 into 33 whole square, correct? 33 whole square. Okay, 33 into 33 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1089. If you have any doubt, just do that one calculation, children. 3.14 into 1089 will come as 3419 minus 0.46 meters square. If you have, just to do that one, children. If I do all the calculations, we can't finish the portion. Okay, next what we have to write now, we have to find, what we have to find? Now we have to find Now we have to find area. Now we have to find area of path surrounded to circular bed. Correct? Now we have to find area of here you have to write surrounded area of circular flower bed. Now what we have to write? Radius of the flower bed with path. Radius of circular flower bed with path. Circular flower bed with path. What is the radius of a circular bed? 33 meters plus 4 meters of path. Correct? 33 centimeters plus meters plus path, that is equals to 37 meters. If you know the radius means, then we can find the area. Area of the circular flower bed with path you have to write. With path, A2 equals to 5 r square, that is 3.14 into 37 whole square. What is 37 whole square? 37s are 1369. If you do the calculation means we will get 4298.66 meters square. Okay, and then area of the path. Area of the path constructed is equals to, this is A2 minus, this is the outer circle, correct? This is the inner circle. Therefore, A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. What is A2 value? 4298.66 meters square minus A1 is 3419.46 meters square. If you take the difference between these two means 6 minus 6, 0. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 9, 9. 8 minus 1, 8 minus 1, 7. 2 minus 4, 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 3 minus 3, 879.20 meters square. Therefore, area of path constructed around the circular path is circular flower bed. Circular flower bed is 879.20 meters square. Times 879.20 meter square. Okay children, next problems we will discuss in our next class.